welcome back to Beauty Chronicles.
So today is going to be our first collab
with our girl Ayana,
yes.
Also our winner for our giveaway.
Woo, applause.
Yes.
So if you want to be in this hot seat, make sure you subscribe.
Yes.
Because you could get...
Subscribe, comment, and like
this video. So right now we have Ayana. She won, like we just said, the giveaway. So we're about to do a demonstration on how you can apply
the wig. Well, first we're going to show you a demonstration on how we prep the wig, and then we're going to show you a demonstration on how we apply the wig. And the wig that we're going to be giving her today is the GLAM-H Boss.
Yes.
From our giveaway video that I wore.
That everybody was asking for, but nobody didn't ask for it.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing her wig today.
Y'all could have had that wig. But y'all left me high and dry.
What you trying to say?
But anyway, we're about to show you how we prep the wig, and then we're gonna show you how you apply the wig. So Ayana, you nervous?
Say something to the people.
Hi people. And she's newly engaged, so shout out to
put it out.
Yes. And we all like hey. Mine's just empty.
Yeah,
so
I was about to say clearly they ain't
you
like
know what
it.
that is. So we're gonna be right back. We're gonna show you how to prep it. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Bye.
Bye. Actually, all right, BC fam, we're back here, and I'm gonna be showing you how to prep this wig. This is the GLAM-H Boss by Zuri Sister Wigs again, and it's in the color 1B. So what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna be taking my concealer, actually the skin tone that matches Ayana's concealer, to blend it in so that it looks seamless. And then I'm gonna cover it with a little bit of powder. So I'm gonna show you zoomed in, and we'll go from there.
So as I said, I'm just going to take a concealer that matches Ayana's skin tone, and I'm going to place it down the middle of the scalp. It can get a little messy sometimes because it's a liquid, but no worries, you can just brush it off. And then I'm going to take the powder and just set it, because I find that when you set it, it actually makes it look more like a scalp. And it also makes it last all day, which is what you may need for a wig. And this is a lace front wig. Now, remember I said that there was no lace in the front, so we didn't have to do any cutting. So this is a pretty quick prep. And I'm just pulling away some flyaways that I saw that were in the part, just to make it look, you know, perfect. And that's it. Check out Ayana and Ness.
So right now, I'm just gonna take out her edges. Not a lot, just a little bit. So, because this wig doesn't have any lace and you want it to look super realistic, you just take out some of the edges. So it could lay better. And the pieces you don't want, obviously, you can just judge. You can use your judgment to see, like, okay, like this is too much hair, this is a little bit of hair. Let me do this side. Actually, let me go around. Sorry. And we're gonna do the middle. Since the wig is gonna be in the middle, you wanna make sure the part is directly, sorry, I hope I'm not hurting you. You wanna make sure the part is in the middle. So the wig can lay flat. So now you're gonna take the wig. Oh girl, you about to have the bundle. This wig does have clips in it, so you can secure the wig where you want it with the clips. Just hold the back down if you can. I'm just gonna put on the middle part.
Is it the gel one? I know that's like a gel one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a gel-like one, not the white one.
So I'm gonna keep my finger there for a minute.
As long as it.
Make sure you go to the video. You be like, follow.
I used to do that. I'm like, oh my friend.
Got the edges. Look at these. First of all, look at these edges.
Finished product here. Looking good.
Get into these bundles. If anybody asks you in the street how much you pay for these bundles, send them to Beauty Chronicles.
I was just about to say, send them to Beauty Chronicles.
Beauty Chronicles. How do you feel?
I feel like I'm going to prom. Or like my quinceañera. I feel like so Beyonce-ish right now.
You look it too, so you bet.
But do you think you'll be more comfortable with your wig application now? Like you feel like you kind of know?
I do. I know that I need to make sure it's secure.
Mm-hmm.
Pull it up.
Get them baby hairs laid.
Yep, lay them edges.
Yes.
And you're good to go.
And conceal that part.
Yes. Remember to do that.
Yes, to match that skin tone.
Well, we want to thank you guys for tuning in. This is like our first official collab episode featuring our first giveaway winner, Ayana. Make sure you guys stay tuned and definitely subscribe to see more.
What is it? Subscribe, like, and comment.
Yes, see, she knows.
She knows. All right, bye guys. See you in the next video.